What's up, dog fans? It's waiting here for the sun to come out. It's 6:20. It's 23 degrees. There's a slight breeze outside, not bad. Supposed to have a good day. Weather's supposed to get up to 53 is supposed to be the high today. West winds from 5 to 10 miles per hour. I could deal with that. Just hope we could get some coyotes. So I'll be setting up here in a little bit. Hope luck is on my side today. It's been kind of slow. So see you guys there. Laters. What's up, dog fans? Dang, it's cold. First stand was a bust. I called for about 25 minutes. I didn't hear a howl or nothing. So probably just no coyotes in this area. I should have done my homework this morning, but I didn't. I just took a wild guess where they're going to be at. But still got a lot of time left. So see you guys the next stand. Laters. Got him. This is like stand number 6 right here. And finally, I don't know if we're into 12 minutes. I was using a TNT, the Lucky Duck. There's a truck passing by right there right now. It's all good. Got him. Let's go check him out. Whew, man. That was a long morning. No kill. Son of a gun. Finally. Lucky duck. Right there. Coyote. Right there. You see my stand right there? There's a couple. It's probably about 15-20 yards from the call. I hear Yotes out there howling. Let's go get them. We're gonna cruise around that way. There's a couple more roads. Let's go check it out. Finally got her, dog fans. Man, slow. Man, I've thrown everything at them. I've tried different spots, old spots, new spots. I haven't heard a howl till right now, but hopefully we'll get some this afternoon. I was using the TNT from Lucky Duck. It was about 12 minutes into the call when I seen her running towards the call that way. I could have dropped her the first time, but I let her get closer. It's like 20 yards from the call, and she stopped right there, and that was it. I tried doing a pup distress after the kill, but then this truck passed right by where the coyote came by, so probably ruined it for me. Anyways, it was a long morning. I've been at it since, well, I've been here since about 4:30, 5, and I haven't heard or called in anything till right now. So just keep trying. Let's go to the next stand. Laters! duck fans. So I only killed one today. 1 out of 2, and I saw a kit fox. Hopefully I got the footage on it, but here she is. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your friends, hit the little bell for future notifications, because if you don't, you're gonna be missing all the coyote action.